HQ, what's my next mission? We've been cancelled? I guess I need to find a job. First day at mall security. Everything seems to be okay. What's going on around here?
Attention. An emergency has been
Fire alarm?
in this building. Please cease operations.
What do I do?
The building utilize
I think I know. Whoa! Oh! Hello, boss! What happened here? Yeah, with the fire alarm. Lit the place on fire. That is not what a fire alarm is. You've been working on a TV show? Don't even, forget about it, whatever. Since you're new, I'll give you another chance, but don't let this happen again.
Attention.
Sound. A burglary! This seems like a job for someone who actually cares. Ha! Seems to be the lazy stairs. Ha! People can't even walk up a staircase. It's ridiculous how society's gotten. At least I'm not that stupid. Hey, drink bot, go get me something to eat, okay? And bring it right here, I don't want to move. Ah, lazy stairs. What? That's it. I'm skipping tomorrow. Really? Oh, all was all over on fire. With multiple burglaries. Oh my goodness. I think there was a black over by Macy's. Do anything about that? Oh my God. Did I do this? Oh no, you didn't cause that. It was just a Mac store that broke the world. That's all. But there is still one store that isn't. Oh, so there is one thing that is still intact. No, I'm going there. Really don't want to go there. Really don't. Hey, it can't be worse than this. Oh, come on. Whatever. I'm going to the ruins of Texas Donuts. No!